Okay, hello everyone. Let's continue with if statement in Python. From the last lesson, we know how to write if-else statement. Okay, let's run our program again. Okay, first, what is your class? Let's say math, and I will enter the mark to be, for example, 50. Your grade in math is F because my mark in math is 50. Okay, here using F statement like this, we call this nested if statement because we use if statement inside if statement inside if statement and so on, so we call this nested if statement. Okay, we can modify this code to be much easier to read and use elif instead of elseif. elif means elseif, so I will modify all elseif to elif, and I will show you how the code will be at the end. It will be easier to read. We will remove the indentation of elif here and else also, then here also, here also. Then this is your code. Now you can see that your code is much easier to read. First, you ask for the class, then you ask for the mark, then if mark is greater than or equal to 90, print the grade is A. Else F, or elif for short, else F mark is greater than or equal to 80 and mark is less than 90, print the grade is B. Else F mark is greater than or equal to 70 and mark is less than 80, print the grade C. Else F mark is greater than or equal to 60 and mark is less than 70, print the grade is D. Else at the end of the code, print your grade is F. Then we can run our program again. Please enter your class. I will say math, then I will print 95. Your grade is A. Again, if math also, and the mark is 90, is 85, your grade is B. Okay, also again said also math. If we said 76, it will be C, the grade will be C. Okay, again we'll also math, and we will say 66, the grade will be D. Again also math, 59. Okay, so now we know how to use the if statement and if else statement and nested if statement and how to use elif instead of else if. Okay, let's take another example. First we will comment here. Then we want to write a script to ask the user to enter a string, then check the length of that string. If less than or greater than or equal to a specified length. The solution will be like this. First, we want to ask the user to enter the length and store this in a variable called elf. Then we want to ask the user to enter a string, and this will be stored in a variable s. Then we want to check the length. So if len of s is greater than L, then we print the length is greater than L. Also, if len s is less than L, we print the length is less than L. Else, the length will be equal to L. Let's run our program and check. We will say the length is 10 and we'll say hello everyone and enter. The length is 15 is greater than 10. Okay, let's run again. I will say also 10 for the length. I will say Muhammad Ali, then enter. The length is 11 is greater than 10. Okay, I will try again. The length also 10. I will say Muhammad Ali but with no spaces. Then enter. The length 10 is equal to 10. Okay? we are done for today. In the next lesson, we will learn how to use the break keyword and the continue keyword in Python, and also we will learn for else loops. So see you next lesson, and bye.